It's a video. Can you tell Grandma what? Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
What have you got?
Nice.
Who's this? And what's this over here? Googly eyes. I know. Wow. A carrot. Thank you. They're from play school, aren't they? Who else is inside? Is he? You find me, Mr. Maker. It is Mr. Maker. Are we going to make some cars to go on this?
That's all. No.
Who is it? I don't know them.